The simple formula, and this is not going to be 100% accurate 100% of the time, and your market will definitely change how this looks or works. More expensive markets, this formula needs to be adjusted a little bit, but we use a simple formula to roughly figure out if a deal is good. It's called the Mayo formula, which stands for maximum allowable offer. And what that basically is a quick formula where we take what is the house going to be worth once I fix it all up? So if the whole thing's fixed up and I can sell it to retail buyers, what is that price? We call that the ARV, or after repair value. I multiply that by 0.7. So essentially take out 30%. That's going to cover my profit, some of the holding costs, utilities, all those factors. So I take that number and then I minus the repairs out. So if it's going to cost me 30, 40, 50,000 to fix the house up to that repair value, then I subtract that out. And that will get me roughly to what about I can pay for that house. It's not 100% accurate, but it gets you pretty close. So you can from there fine tune your numbers and get into the actual number that you can truly pay. But it's a good rough ballpark estimate.